this jubilee of hope. Let us assess not just what we are hoping for. Kasi minsan, iniisip natin, I'm hoping to get to heaven. Nasa isip lang yan, pero wala sa desire, wala sa puso. If we desire truly fellowship with the Lord, then it becomes our hope. And that kind of hope will not be disappointed, because it is also what God desires for us. Fellowship with Him, which is not necessarily happening only after death, but has to happen here and now. Yung pakipag-ugnayan natin sa Kanya, yung pakipagkaisa natin sa Kanya, here and now. And that is why Our Lady is offering it to us. She is our hope because she cultivates in us that desire. Although sometimes sa pamaraan na hinahatak niya tayo, tinatawag niya tayo para lumapit sa Kanya for things that may be simply earthly, mga makundong bagay lang, pangangailangan natin. Hindi naman masama, mga lehitimong pangangailangan. Pero sa paglapit natin sa Kanya, sa pagdebosyon natin sa Kanya, naway ang ating mga puso unti-unting maging malapit sa Diyos. So that through Our Lady, we have fellowship with the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. At itong pamumuhay na ito na yung magiging ugat ng ating mga hangarin. Everything else follows.